My people, welcome back to my channel. This is Skyborn Media. As you know, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, like, share, comment. So if you haven't watched my last video, you guys just go back and check it. Last video, it was so fun. I talked about my experience in Russia. Today I came to Russia, how beautiful Russia is, how beautiful and well cultured Russian people are, and they are still today. So if you haven't watched, you guys just go back and watch. You might learn one or two things. Remember, you guys, I created this channel for awareness. You understand? You know, you might decide to come to Russia in the next 5 years. At least you're able to know what are the certain things that are here in Russia. You understand? Create that kind of awareness for yourself. So today, I'll be talking about how can you survive here in Russia as a student. What are the things that you can do? You understand? For instance, now you came to Russia as a student, you understand? Even though you are not working, it's okay. Even though you are not a student, it's okay. There are certain things that you can do to start earning a living for yourself, you understand? Remember, there are a lot of black people here in Russia. A lot. The population of black people here in Russia are a lot. So, what can you do? You know you don't speak the language. You know it's difficult to interact with the Russians. So, what can you do? You can decide to create an online business for yourself. You can decide to be selling clothes. You can decide to be selling creams, African products, you understand? Clothes, cream, weave on, wigs, and all those other African products. Because here in Russia, they don't have that kind of thing. You understand? You can decide to be selling all those things. Create that kind of awareness for people. Now, it's even much easier. You can even create a group page on your Facebook. Put all your products and be selling. And start earning a living for yourself. You understand what I'm saying? So, and also, if you know you don't have the capacity to do that, if you know you are this kind of person that like to use your hands to work, you know, during the summer, we have a lot of all this farm work, you understand, where you can go to farm work. Even the university, every university, especially all this agricultural university, they always offer this farm work, all this farm base, whereby every summer they need students to cultivate, to do things, to plant potato, to plant apple. You can always link there. You can, if you go to any head of your school, international office, they will always find a way to help you. You understand? So you can work in a farmland, in a farmyard, and then earn a living for yourself. You understand? If you know you are not that kind of strong, like I said, is it not 2 years ago, me and my friends, we are just in the hostel, you understand? We are just searching online. Unfortunately, we saw how you can even earn money online. You understand? There was this certain site, it's called Emotion Miner. You understand? That Emotion Miner, you just register, but it's difficult. If your English language is not that well standard, it's difficult to pass the exam. So me and my guys, we sat down and we started this video is like, let me tell you how it goes. There's a video there online. So actually it's a YouTube video, you understand? So all you have to do is just be clicking on people emotion. What were they doing? What kind of emotion are they showing? Are they angry or are they sad? That's only what you'll be doing. And you trust me, you'll be earning a lot of money. One of my guys earned like $2,000. But because we started late, so I earned like is it not $600 to $700? So, but it was fun because around that time, that money really helps a lot of people when it comes to school fees, when it comes to feeding, when it comes to buying clothes for yourself. You see, if you look at it generally, you can, like I said on my previous video, if you do all this, the document, this temporary residence permit, you see, if you want to open your own sarin shop, you can do it because temporary residence permit, it gives you some certain advantage. You can decide to create your own magazine, buy a shop or rent a shop and be selling your own thing there, you understand? So you guys, there are a lot of advantages here in Russia. You just have to find which one suits you better, you understand? I will not lie to you, it's not easy. To survive in Russia, it's not easy. But if you are determined, you can always achieve your goals, you understand? So that is it for today, you guys. If you haven't liked my video, please click on the like button, subscribe, share this video. So on my next video, I'll be bringing you guys new stuff. I want it to be a secret, you understand? So I want to surprise you guys with my next video, you understand? So maybe I'll be even doing some interview, you don't know. So, but I want to surprise you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you guys click on the subscribe button. See you guys. Peace out.